Hi Tyler, I really enjoyed watching your video and getting to know you. I really enjoyed learning about your career in the Air Force and about all your experiences you've had. I currently am getting ready to ship off to boot camp, so even though it's for a different branch, I loved hearing about your experiences and more importantly about how you were going to incorporate this class into what you're doing now and how you've kind of already used these skills in what you're doing, whether it's talking to officers or any kind of different audience. One thing I did notice about your video that I wish you would work on is your eye contact. I know it's a little hard when we're speaking to a camera, but I felt like you were looking at something on your screen instead of looking directly at the camera like you were talking to me. It kind of was like your eyes were drifting a little bit. But other than that, that's really the only critique that I could think of. About your question about taking an acting class, if maybe people had anxiety about public speaking or troubling remember lines, I think that's actually a great idea. I'd never heard about something like that, and at first when you said that, I was kind of wondering if it was really going to help anything, but the more I thought about it is, even though you don't want to be acting giving your speech because you don't want it to come off as fake, I think taking those classes could really help because it's going to help you learn to pronunciate more, become more comfortable speaking in front of people. And if you are anxious, maybe you could learn to hide your emotions a little bit. So overall, I thought you had a great video, and I'm glad I got to know you a little bit.